some symptoms of detoxification are stuff like headaches. You can get a bit of a upset tummy, tiredness, a little bit of nausea. Like, if you think about it, anything that is like a hangover is your body detoxifying itself. Like, just when somebody's drank too much alcohol and they've got a banging headache the next day, and yeah, sometimes they can feel a little bit ill and stuff. That's the body trying to get rid, cleanse the liver and flush itself out. When there is some liver cleansing herbs in here, and it does help get the elimination pathways working again. And once your body gets the tools to actually cleanse itself and help itself, it does get to work, and it is actually very, very beneficial. But sometimes you can feel a little bit tired and you can have symptoms of detoxification, but that is actually a good thing and that should be celebrated.